Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable double tap to evade on Mecha BREAK. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or in your console and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. And then from here, select the menu option at the bottom right corner using your mouse or your keyboard controller or your controller, sorry. And then from the options that appear, select settings. Now within the settings, select controller. And within the controller section, select overall control. From here, all you have to do is scroll down until you find the double tap evade. Here it is. And then from here, to enable it, all you have to do is use these arrows next to it and press on those arrows until you select on, and that will enable this double tap to evade option. Now once you're done, simply exit and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.